Hello friends, welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is how to install AI models locally in computer so that you can use the AI without the internet connection. Everything will be processed inside your computer. Here in the screen you can see this chat GPT like interface where you can see the new chat, launch and setting. Below this you can see the chat history. At the center you can see the prompt box. In the prompt box you can ask here any question or any help, and here you can see the model selection from where you can select the AI model that you want to use. In the prompt box, let me put, please provide the VBA code to create seats from a name list. After putting your prompt, click on the send button. Here you can see it has started generating the VBA code for you. Following the same method, you can ask here any other question or help, then it will give you the answer immediately. And this will be processed inside the computer. You don't need to connect to the internet. The data you shared and the chat you have done doesn't go anywhere outside your computer. And here I have used this Olama software to do this. There are so many other softwares available to install the AI model in PC. If you want to know what are the software available, then you can go to internet browser, open chatgpt.com. Then here you can search for what are the best free software that can be used to run AI model locally in PC. Press enter, then it will give you the answer. Here you can see the list of software is given here, like the Olama software, LM Studio, Open Web UI, and there are so many other software that you can use to install the AI model in your PC. And here, for example, I am selecting this Olama software. To download this Olama software, you can open here a new tab, then search for download Olama, press enter, open this official website of Olama, and here you have this download option. If you have a different operating system, then you can choose from here, then click on the download. The download process has been started. The total size is 1.3 gigabyte. You have to wait until the download finish. After the download is finished, double click on this setup file, then install it in your PC like you install other softwares. After installing this Olama software, then if you search Olama here in the search bar, you will see this particular software. Click on this to open. After opening Olama, then you will see this interface, which is similar with ChatGPT, like the new chat is given here. Below this, you can see launch and settings menu. Once you start the conversation, then you will see the chat history over here. And here in the prompt box, you can put the prompt, and here you have to install the AI model. In my PC, I have already installed these two AI models, that is Qwen 2.5 and Gemma 4. And while installing the AI model, you have to take care of the system resource in your PC, like what is the RAM size, what is the GPU, what is the processor. These things has to be taken care. To find out the best model for your PC, you can again go to internet, open chatgpt.com and ask here what are the open source AI models and the system requirement to run them smoothly. You can ask this question here, then click on the send button. And here it has given the response with the model name, the parameter size, the RAM needed, GPU needed, which is optional, and what the AI model is recommended for. From this list, you can choose any model that matches with the system resource in your computer. Like if you have 8 gigabyte of RAM, then you can select this Qwen 3 Coder 4 billion version, or you can choose any other version from here. And here you can see other models also given, like the general purpose model. This is for coding. If your priority is coding, then you can select any model from here that matches with the RAM and GPU available. Suppose that if you want to install this Qwen 3 Coder 4 billion version, then you can again ask with ChatGPT for the command to install this version. So simply select and copy this model name. Then right here, what is the PowerShell command to install this version? Then paste the copied version name, that is Qwen 3 Coder 4 billion. Click on the send button. Here you can see ChatGPT has given the code for installing Qwen 3 4 billion version. Copy this code by clicking on the copy button. Then here open Windows PowerShell. So in the search bar put power. You will see this Windows PowerShell application. Click on it to open. And here you can simply paste the code you copied. Control V to paste. Then press enter and it will start downloading the model. Here you can see the download process has been started. The total size of the model is 2.5 gigabyte. You have to wait until this goes up to 100%. And here I have already installed the model in my PC, so I'll just cancel this by closing this PowerShell. The another method of installing the model is you can simply go to the Ollama software, then search for the model name here. You can put the exact name of the model in this find model section. Suppose that if you want to install this particular model, Qwen 3.6, then you can select this model, then put here a simple prompt like what is AI, press enter. Then it will start downloading the model here. And if you are not able to find out the particular model from here, you can use this previous method. Simply ask with ChatGPT for the PowerShell command to install the model, then copy the command, go to PowerShell, then install it. After you install the model, then the model will be given here in the list. You can select the model, like I have installed these two models. Select one that you want to use. Then you can start chatting by simply putting the prompt. Let me click on new chat. Then ask here a question, that is what is XLOOKUP function in Excel. Then click on the send button. Here you can see it has started generating the response. So this is how you can install the AI models locally in your computer. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again in another tutorial.